See that? Just stalls right away. And boom, it stalls right away. And that often can be the mass airflow sensor. So we're gonna try clean it. All right, so here's the mass airflow sensor. It's on a K&N air intake, but it's the same on your OEM as well. Basically with this mount measures the amounts of air going in the engine, and in turn, you know, tells how much fuel to put in. So if it's not reading perfect, you'll get worse fuel economy, less power. So here's the sensor. There's the wires that gotta be clean. There's one in there. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then there's also one down in there. So let's just spray them all clean.
You see that gush down right there? Just one out.
Looking cleaner. Makes me wonder if this has ever been cleaned before. Oh yeah, that looks like 100 times better. Nice and shiny now. You got the two there. There's two in here and one over here. It's just all the dirt flowing past it for 20 years, and it's probably reading is getting a little off. Now, if worse comes to worse, maybe just have to buy a new sensor itself. There we go. Plug it in. Let's see if it starts better. Okay, so we've run it for 5-10 minutes and had it off for half an hour to an hour. Let's try now. Ooh, look at that. It no longer stalls. So, math air sensor cleaning seems to fix that. I'll update if it gets worse. Great, that makes me happy.